किड्स, आज हम सीखेंगे अल्फ़ाबेट्स। लेट्स स्टार्ट। रेड कलर, A for apple, A for apple. Blue color, blue color, B for ball, B for ball. Pink color, pink color, C for cat, C for cat. Orange color, orange color, D for dog, D for dog. Green color, green color, E for elephant, E for elephant. Sky blue color, sky blue color, F for fish, F for fish. Yellow color, yellow color, G for goat, G for goat. Purple color, purple color, H for hand, H for hand. Brown color, brown color, I for ice cream, I for ice cream. Light pink color, light pink color, J for juice, J for juice. Light green color, light green color, K for kite, K for kite. Red color, red color, L for lamb, L for lamb. Blue color, blue color, M for monkey, M for monkey. Green color, green color, N for nose, N for nose. Orange color, orange color, O for orange, O for orange. Pink color, pink color, P for parrot, P for parrot. sky blue color, sky blue color. Q for queen, Q for queen. Yellow color, yellow color. R for rose, R for rose. Purple color, purple color. S for sun, S for sun. Brown color, brown color. T for tiger, T for tiger. Light green color, light green color. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. Light pink color, light pink color. V for vase, V for vase. Green color, green color. W for watch, W for watch. Orange color, orange color. X for Xmas tree, X for Xmas tree. Red color, red color. Y for yo-yo, Y for yo-yo. Yellow color, yellow color. Z for zoo, Z for zoo. Thank you, kids. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching Babu Shona. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.